Hello everybody, I'm Robin from Roly Technology Company, and today you can see I will show you our RLG188 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. You can see this appearance is square and different with other models. You can see firstly, find the two switch here. This is the turn on and turn off switch, and this button next to the switch is to control the cable. And you can see when we use the vacuum cleaner, we will pull out the cable. But after, if we start this button, we have to always manually to welding the cables by yourself. But after we design this button, you can install these cables very easily. Just press it. So you can see it is very quickly to install the cables. And meanwhile, for this square wet and dry vacuum design, we have designed the accessory storage for all of the accessories. You can see for this graphics tool, I can install here. And for this small floor nozzle, I can install here. So all the accessories will not missing and get in anywhere. So you can just take this vacuum cleaner to the place you want to clean. And after, some people maybe say, well, it is just 15 liters and maybe the power is not big. So I prepare some rubbishes to show you the powerful of this vacuum cleaner. So let's go to see it. I prepare this wooden dust for different floors, tile, hard floor, and carpet. So after, I will show you. Firstly, I will connect these three plastic tubes, three pieces plastic tubes, and connected. And you must find this air import. Yes, connect it, and finally, at the end of the tubes, connect this wet and dry floor nozzle. So I will start and show you how to the function of to clean these floors. You can see the three floor different type of floor is cleaned very well and quickly in seconds. So you can see in these places I prepared the coins. Coins is heavy weight, so how we clean it up. You can see I will use tubes to clean up these corners. I will let you see more clearly. So I will show you. you can see that all the corners are just vacuum in this square wet and dry vacuum cleaner very quickly and without hesitation. And you can see this device. This suction of this vacuum cleaner is 17 kPa at least. And you can see it is our suction testing machines here. So we'll let you see more clearly about the suction. So at the end of this video, I will show you this suction. And after, I would like to let you know to clean some liquid because this is wet and dry vacuum cleaner. You can see I prepare a bottle of Coca-Cola. And you can see it is normally that children will pour out the Coca-Cola anywhere in different places. Now I just imitate the situation and let you know. Yeah, a lot of Coca-Colas here. So how we clean it up? Now I prepare it and show you. Wow, you can see the function is very good and clean all the liquid in seconds. So now you have some thoughts in your mind. How about the powerful of this little and impact design wet and dry vacuum cleaner? And now I will show you the let you know by videos that the section of this vacuum cleaner by these machines. I put in the hoses and let you see this more clearly. At I press, you can see that this vacuum cleaner is connected with the hose and also with these machines. And this machine is full of water. And I will show you when we use suction of this vacuum cleaner how power it can be. Now I started. Wow, you can see this water, it can go up very high with this vacuum cleaner is powerful. So you can now understand how powerful of this, and you can use it not only for home but garage, garden, car wash, warehouse, many places. So just buy one this vacuum cleaner, so you can use many places. And meanwhile, of this vacuum cleaner, we have another version that with this socket. So some people may want to know what the function of this socket. This socket can offer power to external power tools and external appliances, whatever. And the maximum power of this socket can offer is 2,000 watts. Wow, so it's very big for all external appliances. So I will show you how to use this. Firstly, you plug in this socket. And now you can see the power tools is connected with vacuum cleaner. And you can see these power tools when you work in the air will come out just immediately, so will pollute the environment. But this vacuum cleaner will clean all the dust from these power tools. Now we use this hose to this. I connect with this vacuum cleaner, and this part we will connect it to this power at the end of this power. So all of the dust come out from this power tools will be collected into the vacuum cleaner. So it is very, very easy. So now you can see that two versions of our vacuum cleaner of this RLG188. So if you have any questions, just make inquiry to us. And also you can see many products in our website. So today the introduction of this new vacuum cleaner is here. Thank you.